Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clothing brand logo. So, if you are starting a new clothing startup and want to make a logo for it, then this video is for you. So, talking about Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, it's a really great site for beginners who have no experience with graphic design or other creative tools. So, in Canva, the best part is you can customize or modify pre-made templates created by professionals and creatives. So, go to canva.com, create an account for yourself, and go to the search bar and type Clothing Brand Logo. And when you search, you'll see lots of options. Click on Show More or See All to get even more choices. See how good-looking they are? Let's scroll down, and whichever one you like, you can select it and modify it as you wish. There are so many options, from aesthetic to minimalist, elegant to professional. You can find whatever suits your style. So, maybe I will go with this one, and it's free. Just click on it for more options. Explore and choose whichever design you like. Maybe I'll go with this one. Just click Customize this template. And now you can modify it however you want. For example, if I want to change the color of this element, I'll click on it. Here's the option to change color. Here's the stroke option, the option for corners, cropping, flipping, transparency, animation, position, and more. If you want to edit text, just double-click on it, and you can customize it here as well. To change the color, the option is right here. To change the font, here's the font option. To adjust the size, there's an option too. You can make it bold, italic, underline, toggle uppercase, lowercase, align, make a list, adjust letter and line spacing, set transparency, add effects, and more advanced options like animation and positioning. If you want to add your own elements, just delete the current one and upload from your computer, and it will appear here for you to drag, crop, or adjust as needed. If you want to add elements from Canva's library, go to the Elements tab and search for something like Loading, maybe. And just like that, you'll get lots of options. Maybe I will go with this one. As you can see, there are lots of available options for you. So maybe like this, and I'll just change the color to this one. Like this, you can choose any element, font, or add your own branding. Just be creative. If you want to change the template, go to the Templates tab for more options. So, that's the simple process. Before exporting, please check that everything is in perfect order, ready, and without any mistakes. To export it, rename your file here. And to download it, go to Share and Download, and choose PNG or any other format you want. Then download it, and your clothing brand logo is ready. Thank you for watching.